This is the elevator to the Uptown 4, 5, and 6 trains at City Hall, Brooklyn Bridge Station, New York City. There's the 6 train right there. Triple chime. See it leveling, and I believe it's a Heights. Crap. You know what? I'll nudge it. I really don't care. I don't want the train to interrupt it. That one's gonna go too. Come on, close. What the fuck? No, I'm kind of afraid to see what a Heights nudge would be like, so hopefully that thing don't leave. GAL valve resistant fixtures, basic MTA subway fixtures. That train is not leaving. There it goes, and I think it's gonna be on down peak. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's on down peak. I'm not even gonna. Oh, there it goes, and that's it.